Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today is Minnie Mouse inspired cake. So I already done the ears, as you can see. It was just a simple cutout fondant circles, and I put skewers through the middle part and paint them gold on both sides. And now you gonna see me doing a bow, so I'm gonna pre-make all these details and let them dry overnight before I put them on top of the cake, so that will be um, easier to assemble for me, the cake part. All right, so the bow, I'm just gonna scrunch it and kind of eyeball the size of the loops, so I'm gonna make them a little over the half of the ear. All right, so kind of large enough, but I do want to see ears from behind the bow. Okay, so the bow not overpowering. I hope that makes sense. All right, so just crunch it, make it like a little pleats. And always pinch the excess fondant, the one that I don't need. I'm gonna join the both loops, and I'm gonna do another piece of fondant and also kind of pleat it so it's not just plain. Kind of make it folds in there, and I'm gonna lay it and fold over my bow so the bow is nice and completed. All right, so it looks done. All right, so just fold the loops under, so that's the size. All right, and I'm gonna stand it up to dry, so that way the middle of the bow part is sitting down on the cake and not in the air. All right, so let it dry overnight. And now it's next day, and let's finish our cake. So I'm just gonna go through. My cake was crumb coated and chilled in the refrigerator for several hours. Now I'm gonna do white icing, and I'm gonna do fairly nice job on icing it, but make sure it's not a thick layer, because I'm gonna do second color on the bottom, and the top of the cake will be covered in the glaze, in the drip, so it really doesn't need to be thick. All right, so just enough for me for right now to be happy. Make sure it's cake nice and even, and the icing is even layer, just like that. And for the bottom part, I mixed pale pink buttercream, kind of matching the color for the bow, and I'm gonna run my spatula over it to smooth it out. See, again, it's not a thick layer, so just a hint of color. And I'm gonna smooth it all out with my paper towel. For paper towel, again, if you're new to my channel, I'm working with crusting buttercream. I'm gonna link my recipe below in the description box so you can see. Make my icing with high ratio shortening only, and use Viva paper towel. All right, for the bottom part, I'm gonna use different kind of sprinkles, and I got them just in our local Hobby Lobby, so nothing fancy. It's a mixture of the white, and then I have the same kind of shape of the sprinkles in gold, and I'm gonna put it all around the bottom cake. And I have this pale pink pearl sprinkles. I thought will look very pretty. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just spread it on a board at the bottom of the cake, just like so. And then I'm gonna use my hand and sweeping motion move the sprinkles a little up the sides of the cake, so the bottom is attaches like that. And for the top part, I'm just gonna use ganache, white ganache, and do the drizzle. I like to do drizzle part first like that, and then I'm gonna fill up the middle part just like that. I'll spread it out with the spatula. And this part do it in a little hurry because the cake is cold and ganache will set rather quickly. And I'm gonna use the same sprinkles that I use at the bottom. I'm gonna put them a little on top. Kinda make it match. Alright. And now I'm gonna stick my decorations. So I'll do the ears. I'll hold it together and eyeball it, make sure they go right in the middle of the cake. Like so. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of icing. That will help me to attach the bow, make sure it doesn't slide around. And there you go, the cake is done. I think it's very easy and very cute cake turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything new coming up. And I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much.